Let's talk about your Master Plumber Study Guide, PDF, and how to prepare for one of the most advanced certifications in the plumbing trade. If you're aiming for the master level, that already says something about you. It shows dedication, experience, and a commitment to growing beyond the basics of the Journeyman stage. The Master Plumber exam doesn't just test what you can do with your hands, it tests how well you understand codes, systems, planning, design, and high-level decision-making. You'll face questions on planning vent networks, designing full plumbing systems, calculating loads, interpreting complex code requirements, and solving deep troubleshooting scenarios. Most Master Plumber exams include 100 to 150 multiple-choice questions, with 3.5 to 4 hours to complete them. Every topic is based on National Occupational Standards, so the exam stays accurate to real-world work and industry expectations. Your Master Plumber Study Guide, PDF, is built to help you understand the full scope of advanced responsibilities, leadership, oversight, system design, code interpretation, and safety requirements that go far beyond the journeyman level. Most people study for 3 to 6 months before writing the master exam. Even highly experienced plumbers need time to refresh code sections, review diagrams, and practice calculations. One of the smartest ways to study is to divide the content into sections. Codes arrow, system design, arrow math arrow, troubleshooting arrow, fuel gas arrow, leadership, and safety. If you're a mature learner or someone who hasn't opened a textbook in years, don't worry. Focus on short, steady study sessions instead of cramming. Review a few questions every night. Highlight complex code requirements. Work through diagrams the way you do on real jobs. Your hands-on experience is your biggest strength. Real-world problems reflect master-level concepts. Becoming a master plumber is a major career upgrade. Certified professionals often move into roles like inspector, job site supervisor, project manager, designer, business owner, or instructor. A master ticket gives you more authority when quoting work, bidding big jobs, or supervising installations. And with technology evolving, smart systems, diagnostics, efficient layouts, your certification proves you're ahead of the curve. If you're studying with your Master Plumber Study Guide PDF, don't do it alone. At journeymanstudyguide.com, you'll find Q&A books, explanation-style resources, and online timed practice tests that help you study smarter. Everything is available as instant downloads for phone, laptop, or tablet. And remember, you're not alone. Thousands of tradespeople across the U.S. write advanced plumbing exams every year. Everyone starts somewhere. Your guide is more than a resource. It's your path to leadership, higher wages, independence, and long-term stability. Take your time. Stay consistent. Use the right tools. Trust your skills. You're closer to that master certification than you think.